In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the NFL Sunday Ticket student deal. Be sure to leave a like on our channel, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You're going to begin by going to this URL, tv.youtube.com/learn/NFL Sunday Ticket. Now, as you can see, you can explore the different plans that are available. But since you are looking to get a student discount, if you scroll all the way down, you can find these frequently asked questions, and there is one that says, is there a student plan for NFL Sunday Ticket? As you can see, there is indeed a student plan. So you can click on student plan and it will open up NFL's official YouTube page. Since I am not in the location of the ability to get NFL student ticket, you will have a button, if you are, that says NFL student ticket. Now, you can click on this link and it will prompt you to actually get the student plan, and all you'll need to do is fill in a few options of your information and then verify your student status. As you can see, you can also learn more about the NFL student ticket, and if you go into the description of this, it will give you a whole bunch of different options to see how you can actually get it. So if you are confused and you want to actually use these direct links, you can go to this link and buy the NFL Sunday Ticket student plan. All you'll have to do is click this and it'll bring you to the button where you can click on YouTube. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.